So, welcome back. Tonight, obviously, we are talking about GameStop. GameStop has done really well today. It may not seem like it, but GameStop has done amazingly. It's up by about 10.5%, we can see, gone up by about $15.2, which is great. And there are a lot of things to talk about in this video. Regardless, I am going to try and make it a very quick one for you, but make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe if you may enjoy it. Obviously, it is not financial advice. Do your own research, as this is only my opinion, but we are going to jump right into this one, as I don't want to keep you any longer then you need to be here. So let's start off by obviously looking at the charts at what we have seen. We're going to move over to the more simple charts just to summarize things. If we can have a look down here, we'll be able to see that GameStop has obviously been growing quite stably today. We've seen this big increase most recently just a few moments ago. We saw a similar thing with AMC, so fantastic. And that sell-off actually happened just a few moments ago, as I mentioned, but already it looks like we could definitely be pulling ourselves back up and actually could break past this today and maybe even make for new highs on the day, closing higher than we were even up here, and that would be fantastic. Overall though, we've seen a lot of volatility with both of the stocks, both GME and AMC, but I'm very happy that they are both up today by a large amount. Now we're going to go over now to the 5-day charts and have a bit of a simple look on how this one has been moving. So far we are not in the green for the past 5 days apparently. Again, information coming from MarketWatch. We're very close to getting there, don't get me wrong. There was just above the $160 mark back here where we can see a price of $164. So we're very close to getting there, but obviously we have not made it back into the green yet. We are definitely coming back strong from this dip on Tuesday though, which is good. Anyway, what I really want to move you over to is these more complex charts, where we can get a bit more of a breakdown of what is going on with this stock. So I want to start off by highlighting the Bollinger Bands that I have on my screen. These are these yellow parts, as you will probably already know. Let's take a moment to look at how tight these are going. These are very tight, as you can see. They're definitely coming very close to each other at the moment, and this is good. Again, it definitely could prime us for another move upwards for GameStop, and that would be fantastic. Again, what we are seeing across the board with both AMC and GME over the past day or so, it definitely indicates that this is possibly happening and we could be seeing some more big growth very soon. Now, another thing, if you do want to have a quick illustration on this stock chart, we will be able to see that this one has been up right now today, but obviously it still hasn't broken out of that triangle that we have been seeing. So let me just get out my quick pen and let's draw this triangle that we are seeing. So basically, over the past while, we can see that obviously GameStop has been moving down. It's been making lower highs and higher lows, which is pretty decent as well. Obviously, we have some exceptions to that, don't get me wrong. Down here was a lower low, obviously more recently, but basically before that we are seeing good things. I think right now, as I have mentioned, today is interesting. It could prime us for another move upwards tomorrow with GameStop. I think with both AMC and GameStop, one thing which is going to catch people buying into these later on is the potential FOMO that we might be seeing with both of them, as people want to get into these, making some profits as the price does continue to rise. Again, what we are seeing over the past day or two, we're seeing a lot of the market in red, and we are seeing both AMC and GameStop climb by a decent amount and actually outperform the market. So who knows, this definitely could entice more investors to get into these stocks. Now, I know that more and more people are definitely looking to the cryptocurrency side, but stocks like this, they are interesting for people who do still want to invest in stocks, and there are many good reasons to invest in these companies. Anyway, now we're going to move over to Fintel, which shows us that apparently yesterday the short volume ratio was 25%, market volume 2.7 million, and short volume 689k. Now, bear in mind, Fintel may not be the most accurate source of information, but it does give us a little bit of a view of what is going on with this stock. Now let's move down to have a look at how many short shares are available. This was updated 2 minutes ago, you can see down here, and actually the time since the last change was 34 minutes ago. Short share availability back then was 200,000, so pretty low for this stock. Now apparently down here, the short borrow fee rate is 1.02%, but overall I don't think that is the most relevant thing when looking at this stock today. I think right now when looking at GameStop, we are in a really interesting place. I don't know if this one is going to continue to rally up for the rest of the day or into tomorrow, but if it does, who knows, more people may get into this one for the FOMO. People may want to continue to buy these ones as they do have more and more potential possibly to continue to grow. So make sure to tell me your thoughts down below. Obviously, this was not financial advice, it was just my opinion. So I hope you did enjoy. I'll see you soon. See you till the next one.